Good day, artists. This video will help you get started in making your website. In this class, you're going to keep developing a website showing your sketchbook work, your processes, some of your writing, your finished projects, and whatever else we come up with. We're going to kind of be creative as we go. And by the end, you'll have a finished looking website to display your portfolio, to show your whole growth as an artist. Okay, now we're going to start with a really simple template. Here goes. The way to make a website is you got to open a tab and type in sites.google.com. All right, and yours will probably be blank unless you've made sites before, in which case this is going to be extra easy for you. And I think we're going to start from the most basic thing, so a blank website. Here we go. You click on blank, and it gives you the most basic looking site possible. It's empty, and it is has a banner at the top, and the right side over here is all the tools that you can use to add things to your site. That's what we have, insert right there. Then you click on pages, and of course we have one page. The default beginning page is called your home page, and we're going to keep it that name, the home page. And then you can also do some pre-made themes and color settings, which you can play around with another time. All right, let's just keep it super dry for this video, keep it short. However, I do want you guys to eventually really customize this and make your own backgrounds and other things. You know, this is a creative project over time. So to begin, make sure you name the site with your name, full name, first and last name, and art. I'm going to keep it all caps. You don't have to do it all caps. You can do it lowercase if you want, but your name, art. And then here, type in the same thing for anime. Your name, perfect. Okay, so it's identifying it as you are the artist, right? And this is a site about your art. Now, pretty simple, right? Let's click over here on the right side to insert. And this first page, at least for the beginning of this semester, will be just a welcome page. And let's click this layout. And layouts are basically pre-made containers of like image boxes and text boxes that we can add to. So you'll be allowed to change what yours looks like over time. But let's all put this for now, just so I know you know how to do these steps. Make a box, add some words, okay? And then this is a picture box. And when you click on that plus sign, you can upload a picture from your desktop. You can select an image from some place, maybe online. And then you can also use images from your Google Drive. And this is why I had you guys make a folder yesterday called Drawing and Painting. And then inside that, a folder called Sketchbook. And you're going to put images of your work into your Google Drive. Then you'll have easy access to it where you can go grab it from the drive right there. All right. But you don't need to add one right now. Just set up the blank template is what it's called right here. Now, the other page you got to make right now is the sketchbook page. So to create a page, you click on pages and it shows you your list of pages. We only have one right now. And excuse me, oh, wrong button. Sorry about that. All right, let me move this. Can't move it. Close it. Now, click new page and type sketchbook. Done. Now I have a sketchbook page. There's nothing in it. So I can add images one at a time by double clicking right here and go add an image, or go to my Google Drive and grab something. And there's other tools right here, which I can show you another time. Okay. But for now, if you just click the insert tab, get to the tools, let's put a collection of images like this one right here. So this is really simple, squared images with a caption text box. And this is changeable, malleable, editable. You can make it wider or whatever, which you'll have to do to show the whole image later on. All right, so put one of those text boxes. We'll add to it later. Just set up the template. Good. Now there's one last step that you need to do before we actually use our site and add things to it. All right, I need you to go up here to the share button, a little person with the plus sign, click on it, and share it to me as an editor. Right, there's my email. Type in my email. And then make sure it says editor. Mine says owner because I made this site myself, right? But on yours, make me an editor and then share it to me. All right. And down here in the links, all right, this is where you set up who can see what on your website. So for the draft is your website before publishing it. You can keep it restricted. And as long as you shared it to me, you gave me the link, and you've added me as an editor, then I will be able to see it. I am within the restrictions, right? For published site, later on when we actually publish the site for viewers to see, you can set it to NMCUSD, so only those of us in school, your classmates and me, maybe the administrators can look at it when we have our show. You can put it on NMCUSD. If you click on the little chevron here, you get other options. You can make it public and let anybody see it, like your uncle or aunt. You can let them see your site as you develop it, make it public like that. If you put it on restricted, then only the people you choose specifically in the share dialog above can see it. So that would mean me and you at the beginning, but you have to name people to see it, and that's very limiting. All right, so I would suggest you leave it like this for now, and we'll change it as we go when we get more comfortable. Okay, done. And that's it. Right, in class, I'll have you guys copy and paste your link, right, this up here, to a document. We'll do that in class later time. All right, thank you for playing, and congratulations if you just made your first or started your first website.